All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside our Web3Py favorites module, where we're going to be straight over here to our terminal so we can show you how we're going to run Anvil. So first, right off the bat, you can see we have two terminals open. We have this one and this one. One of them is going to be strictly for running Anvil. The other one is going to be for deploying of a contract. So this is how we would run Anvil. Let's back this up here. So we're going to say UV run Anvil, and that'll initialize our Anvil to get up and running. It may take a little while because we're all recording, of course. So we're getting let that load. Like I said, and this is one, so it did pop right up. So this is Anvil running here. This is our test network here that we can deploy our contract to without having to use a supposedly a test network. This would be our actual blockchain right here that we're going to deploy our contract to. Let me show you so you can see we have some example of example accounts available. We have example private keys, everything we need right here inside of this Anvil terminal. Let me show you the port number that we're going to be using. So I can show you. So you can see it listening on port 127.0.0.18545. That's the number we have right here. This is our address to our ACT provider. So you can see we have it plugged in here. That's what we're going to be using. This is how we actually initialize it using the W3 equals Web3 function. Now, once we have that up and running, we'll leave it up and running. And we just open up a new terminal. And then we'll say UV run deploy favorites .py, and this is how we actually deploy our contract. So yeah, we have the one open. We're gonna leave it open for Anvil. This is how we leave Anvil up and running. This is gonna be our blockchain, and we open up a separate actual terminal so we can actually deploy our contract. And this is how we deploy our contract here. We'll just say UV run deploy favorites.py. I'm not gonna wait around for it to actually deploy because it probably will take a little while. There's an entire contract, and we are recording, so it might take a little while. But that's the exact process we will use. So we open up two terminals. The first terminal will be for Anvil, and then we will back out of it, open up a new terminal, and we will deploy our contract in a new terminal. And that will be that. So that's basically how we use Anvil. After we have everything uploaded and installed, we can continue using it for the rest of our contracts. So we will be moving forward to a new topic tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.